Hello everyone, Hariharan from Indicator Master and Guider. Crude oil this week prediction. Before starting crude oil prediction about this week. This week will be 3rd August to 7th August. Crude oil movement. Okay, so if you see that crude oil movement, the 270 rupees only the difference was happened last full month. Okay, so same case, narrow range it was happened. Actually it is a narrow range market. Okay, in this market many people might have lost their stop loss. Lost their money or many stop loss hit. So much profit is not made last month because of pandemic situation, right? So in this price difference, okay, so 270 rupees, okay, so how will be this month? Okay, crude oil prediction will be there. So like that we have started this prediction today. Okay, while before seeing this MACD in the month wise, it has closed now. Okay, so it is one of the positive sign. It is going to be market temporarily up. Okay, so based on our inventory situations only, the market is up and down is getting over there. So that is one of the thing you can see here. It is a negative inventory. Negative in the sense EIA declared by distributors, premium dealers, negative only. They had a stock. So that's what we are expecting. The market is consuming more nowadays the crude oil. So that's what we are expecting. Crude oil price will go up for this time being. Okay, so once the global is totally if started consuming the crude oil, then only the market will be gets stabilized. Okay, so before moving this monthly prediction, with that we can see the price movement. We can say that golden ratio number with the Fibonacci 3076 above, if price started moving, we can see the good uptrend move. Okay, so otherwise the market will be choppy market. Okay, same case, the price if below 3012, we can say that the price will be in bearish mode. Okay, bullish 3076 above, bearish will be 3012. Okay, so in between who are all small traders, this market last month many stop loss might have happened. Okay, to avoid that, in this middle range of 3076 and 30 in between of 3044, okay, you don't trade, and 3044 to 3012 in between of these points if comes, you don't trade. You can say we can say that asset market is better for making the profit. Okay, so you can be the conscious. If price started moving 3076, we can go for buy. 3012 below comes, we can go for sell. Okay, we can keep it as a thumb rule. Okay, for this from this market prediction of monthly report. Okay, so while seeing this week how this week will behave, so I will come to this subject. Okay, so last week if you see the swing high swing low, I have selected this value 3125 is a swing high, 32913 swing low I have selected. In this actually this value taken from Zerodha platform. Okay, I have checked from our trading view also. It is a 4-point difference is there. Suppose if somebody is a platform showing that value, you can put their 4 points difference and you can draw this same Fibonacci and you can get the exact value. Okay, so with this 2 between value, if we find this Fibonacci, the buy trend if starts 3044, okay, you can go for buy. Okay, so buy zone, right? Same case 2994 if comes, okay, we can start selling the market. Okay, we can keep this as a thumb rule. In between of these two area, we can stay aside to avoid the stop losses. Same case fluctuation of the market. Okay, so this is the best way for small traders. Okay, big traders there is no issue. Big traders means we are having sufficient money in this to make up the stop loss. Okay, so that people can keep it in this as a positional, and we can do the make the profit as whenever price is coming and reaches. Okay, because stop loss if keeping more, definitely market will come to that definite certain prices, because we can say that this 270 is only the price difference. So definitely market will come to that particular place which is your trading over there, right? right? So extended targets also I have given over here. Okay, once the price 3125 reaches, okay, the price will started moving up. Okay, 3175 and 3205, 3231. Same case, extended selling side also have given over here. You can see that once 2913 crosses, okay, price will come to 2862, 2832 and 2807. Okay, so these are all the values are addressing in the sense the value will come to reach here, nearby or far away. Okay, so that is called addressing. The Fibonacci will tell about addressing, not that exact values. Okay, so you can, if nearby prices comes, you can make the book profit. Okay, don't wait for this value exactly will come and we can make the profit like that. If we think it, definitely that profit will get missed. Okay, many people's thinking that if even though if you are getting the call from the experts, okay, so 1.2 point they will miss. Okay, once we need to understand that all calculations value are addressing for this crude oil. Okay, these are all addressing. Okay, nearby address or far away address is better for good results. Nearby comes also, you can book the profit. Okay, whenever you are seeing the profit in I, you book and exit from the market. That is the technique of trading. Okay, thank you for watching. Here one of the thing I like to share here, the still our CCI is still not moved in the positive side. It is in narrow range side only, it is there as per our setting. Okay, even though this week I have added RSI also reached 60. Okay, so it is a sign of going upward direction. Okay, while seeing the monthly performance also, it is in upward direction now. So our coincidation is it is a 30 minutes time frame. The 60 is touching it now. So tomorrow what is going to be happen? Let's see from our trading platform. Okay, so this is purely our Zerodha platform. Okay, so who are all interested, if you want this particular setting, please message me, do the WhatsApp in my WhatsApp number. With the small charges, I am sharing all the settings, but our settings will be good, results will be there. Okay, many students also it is practicing and doing the trades and making the profits, right? So training videos also going to come in the backside. Please watch it, and if you want the learn, please contact me. I can take the training. Okay, please subscribe our channel, one of the kind request, because live streaming it is we are planning to put over there. That's what I am asking to subscribe this channel and motivate it. Okay, we can keep in that YouTube live in that evening session, breakdown session. Okay, so price breakout strategy further. Okay, so that session will be sharing across our team, and we can make the profit as a team. Okay, that's what the idea. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, coming week, let's see what is going to be happen. Okay, happy trading, happy safe trading. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. In our YouTube channel, many videos, educational videos is available. Okay, you can take them, choose, and you can see and refer the details. Okay, so one more thing, important thing I'm like to share here. Okay, I'm conduct the training to all. Okay, so it is the training will be in a one-to-one online training will be there. It is charges will be minimum. Okay, you can get the details through my 1305702238. Okay, so you can cross check my indicator master and guided telegram number. Okay, some of the special days, okay, not all the days, many days I am sharing my levels. Okay, it is will be good level. Okay, so here the training will be Fibonacci drawing, how to draw, and Fibonacci important levels, and the entry and the exit, why we need to use, right? So next thing, super trend setting for crude oil. Okay, overall trading commodity sessions I will include this, and if they are doing equity, okay, Nifty or Bank Nifty, whatever it is, according to that I will share the settings to you. Okay, super trend, how to trade. Okay, so that is much important. In normal super trend, if you keep on trading, that will be failure will be more. So with some of the conditions will be there. That condition I will explain to you. special thing I am showing here, like Ichimoku Cloud, the importance to trade. Okay, so what is the importance of the trading using Ichimoku Cloud? That is also I will explain. So the success rate will be much more. Okay, so subscribe our channel. Okay, even if you are interested, please message me for your training details. Okay, I will share that. I will share the charges details also. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you.